Well, we've been very fortunate that as I sit here today, we are almost double outperforming the market when it comes to helping sellers sell their homes in the environment of today. In addition to that, we've been very fortunate to be one of the top 5 Century 21s in the nation for 10 years in a row, really meaning that we have kept pace with the industry as it changes. And most importantly, we've really understood how to help sales associates deal with a new marketplace, deal with technology, deal with changing consumers, the generational differences that there are, so that we can meet individual expectations.
The integration of the relationship between First American Mortgage and the realtor partners with whom we do business is critical to the success of the agents. There is a very close relationship between the management of First American Mortgage and the management of the real estate companies that we serve, and the purpose of that is to assist us in identifying where we may be able to assist an agent in growing their career, whether it be through education or a better understanding of the process.
The two cultures are thoroughly combined. Nothing happens at a real estate office that First American isn't involved in. Nothing happens at First American that the real estate partners are not familiar with, because we truly understand that it's growing together that will make the difference.
We have to be experts at mortgages. We have to be experts at finances. We have to be experts at understanding how appraisers arrive at property values and how credit is used in the analysis of a person's ability to get a mortgage. A realtor has to be somewhat knowledgeable of those processes, but really has a very ominous responsibility in the marketing of homes. It's positioning homes at a price where the home will be marketable. It's taking consumers to see a cross-section of homes that will allow them to make an informed decision, guiding them through the process of the inspections and the things that are necessary to make an informed decision. So the integration of that process is so critically important to the success of an agent, and it translates into something that is critically important to consumers because they have a team that's working together to make their transaction work in a smooth fashion.
Those First American touches that are going to happen between a consumer and the mortgage company are all designed to create that customer for life. That loan officer who sits in a Century 21 Alliance office is there to help those agents grow and be more productive. And that having them a part of our entire office culture also means that our sales associates are so much better informed, and even more importantly than that, when they have a question, they can get a specific answer to it based on a consumer's individual circumstances. So the communication that it creates, the benefit to the consumer is you can't measure how great it is, and most important for the sales associate, they know that if First American says something's going to happen, it is going to happen, because we're family.
Our real estate partners know their processors by name. Our closing people know the people at the title companies by name. They deal with each other on hundreds of transactions, so they know that they can rely on each other, they know that they can trust each other, and they communicate with the same esoteric language. The disconnects that happen in the pass-off in that process are really what creates the biggest part of obstacles for people in buying homes.
In this world, when you're walking into a process that you don't know every single part of it, the most important thing is there a reason why you should trust these people more than anyone else? And the reason First American and Century 21 Alliance have the relationship that they do is because it's an atmosphere of absolute trust. When you hear from one of those entities that something is going to happen, it is going to happen, and you're going to be fully informed. We can't always give you the answer you would want to hear. We are committed to always giving you the truth, because in any relationship in life, there has to be a factor of trust, and we absolutely trust First American for the financing needs of our consumers, or we would not have that relationship.